Hi sweet angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you are here again. Happy New Year! I wish you all the best for the new 2019. And I'm gonna start my first video of the year with the face mask, with something super nice and super easy for your face. This is going to be a DIY face scrub or face peeling, whatever you wanna name it. So now you can see the ingredients that I have prepared. This is grounded coffee, and this is the recycled product, or whatever is the name of this product that is coming out from my coffee machine, because I'm using beans, and when I'm making my coffee, this is the result. I'm using 2 teaspoons of raw coconut, extra virgin coconut oil, and yeah, because it's not melted, I'm just pressing it with the spoon. Now I'm gonna use about, all the measures are just about, because you know you're just gonna need a small amount for your face, and you don't have what to do with the rest of the amount, but you can put it in a spare container. Then I put 1 spoon of sesame oil. I love this oil for my face. I'm using it literally every single day like a daily moisturizer. And I'm just mixing everything. You can do this scrub even only with the coffee, but I decided to make it like a paste, and because coconut oil got super beneficial for your face, sesame oil is super nice as well and nourishing for your face. And yeah, when you make all the ingredients in like a kind of a smooth paste, you just have to start applying this paste all over your face. But my suggestion, like always when I'm doing a masks, is to skip the area underneath your eyes, because this is such a delicate area. And please excuse me about the shaking of the camera, but my daughter was holding the camera for me because I didn't have space in my bathroom where to put my tripod. And yeah, after doing such a nice and kind of a tender scrub to my face, I'm just using a lukewarm water to wash my face. And now I'm just soaking up the water from my face with the face cloth, face towel, and I will use something else like a DIY face toner. This is whitch hazel. I bought it from Boots. Obviously you can read from here. I've already prepared it, and I'm using it because of this. I'm just showing you the ingredients. This is lavender essential oil, and this is, unfortunately, it's not readable anymore because of the oil. This is tea tree oil. I mixed them. I'm not so sure did I measure them or no, but I think that I put about 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, because I don't want to make it super concentrated on my face, because you know, especially you have to try the oils before, because if you're allergy, this can burn your face. So please try them on the inner side of your hands before you use it on your face. Yeah, now I just use this DIY toner on a cotton pad, and yeah, just massage it and apply it again all over my face. And for the moisturizer, I'm gonna be using one of my newest creams. My mom sent it to me from abroad, and this is with the, I think, snail face cream, moisturizing snail face cream, or something like this it was. And yeah, that's everything. This is super refreshing and super nice nighttime pampering routine, and I'm really feeling my skin like a baby skin. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next one.